Are you relocating to Miami and you're not sure whether you should rent or buy? In today's video, I'm going to be comparing the pros and cons of both options so you can make the decision that's best for your new life in the Magic City. Welcome back to the channel where I help newcomers navigate the Miami real estate market like a pro. Choosing between renting and buying a home is a major decision, especially when you're moving to a new city like Miami. Let's dive into the pros and cons of each option to help you make an informed choice. First, flexibility. Renting offers you greater flexibility as it's easier to move if your circumstances change. This is ideal for people who aren't sure about their long-term plans in Miami. On the other hand, buying a home provides stability and a sense of belonging in your new community. Number two is cost and expenses. When it comes to costs, renting typically requires a lower initial investment with just a security deposit and first and last month's rent. Buying a home, however, requires a down payment, closing costs, and some other cash you're going to want to have for miscellaneous expenses. Number three, maintenance and repairs. As a renter, you're generally not responsible for maintenance and repairs, which can save you some time and money. However, if you're a homeowner, you're going to be responsible for all the upkeep, but this also means that you're going to have full control over the property's appearance and the improvements that you decide to make. Number four, market conditions. Consider Miami's current real estate market. In a competitive market with low inventory and high demand, it might be challenging and costly to buy a home. On the other hand, if rental prices are high, buying could be a financially sound decision. Number five, owning a home in Miami can offer financial benefits like building equity, potential appreciation, and tax deductions. Renting doesn't provide you these benefits, but it does allow you to invest your money in other ways and avoid any potential risks associated with the housing market. Number six, long-term plans. Think about your long-term plans in Miami. If you're planning to stay for several years and you want to build a life in the city, buying a home might be the right choice. But if you're unsure about your future in Miami or you want the freedom to explore different neighborhoods, then renting could be the better option. So there you have it, a quick comparison of buying versus renting in Miami. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel for more real estate advice. If you'd like to chat more, there's a link in the show description below to schedule a free 15-minute phone call, and feel free to reach out to me with any sort of questions or for assistance in your relocation to Miami. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.